Morning, children. Under the past tense, we have already done simple past and past continuous tense. Today, we will understand what is the past perfect tense. Let's see what is past perfect tense. The past perfect tense describes a completed activity in the past. It is used to emphasize that an action was completed before another action took place. बच्चे पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस टेल्स अस अबाउट द कंप्लीटेड एक्टिविटी इन द पास्ट, जो एक्शन पास्ट में हो चुका है उस एक्शन के बारे में हमें पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस बताता है बिफोर अनदर एक्शन टुक प्लेस. मींस दिस टेंस टेल्स अस अबाउट द टू एक्शंस ओके completed in the past. See these examples. John had baked a cake before you arrived. John had baked a cake. But you see, in this sentence, two actions are described. Baked and arrived. John had baked a cake before you arrived. Means John had already baked the cake before you arrived. So these are the two completed actions in the past. They had painted the fence before I had a chance to speak to them. They had already painted the fence before I had a chance to speak to them. So similarly in this sentence also two actions are described, one after the other, and both have completed in the past. Now let's see how do we form the past perfect affirmative sentences, means positive sentences. What is the rule of the positive sentences of past perfect tense? Subject plus had plus past participle. But what is past participle? The third form of the verb plus object. But you know there are three forms of verbs. First is the present form, then past, and then past participle. Means first is the base form, then first form of the verb, then second form of the verb, and then past participle is the third form of the verb. So subject plus had plus past participle means third form of the verb plus object. See the example. She had replaced the light bulb before she electrocuted herself. But you see, she is the subject here, then had. In past perfect tense, we use had as the helping verb. She had replaced is the third form of replace. The light bulb before she electrocuted herself is the object. Now let's see how to form the negative sentences in the past perfect tense. Subject plus had plus not plus past participle, that is the third form of the verb, plus object. Andy had not bought a new umbrella. Now but Andy here is the subject, had not. Had is the helping verb, and not because it's a negative sentence. Bought is the third form of buy. A new umbrella is the object. Andy had not bought a new umbrella. How do we form the past perfect interrogative sentences? Had plus subject plus past participle, that is the third form of the verb, plus object. But you know very well that whenever we write the question forms, always the helping verbs come out, right? Similarly here also had, they is the subject, then organized is the third form of organize, a party before is the object. So had they organized a party before? Let's try to solve these few sentences to make the tense more clear, right? So the first sentence is the race dash by the time the last person arrived. Now here in the bracket is already or finished, right? So we will write the race had already finished by the time the last person arrived. Now bache, the race had you know is the helping form, helping verb of the past perfect tense. Already is given, so we will write already. Finished, third form of finish, right? Steve had a gold medal because he dashed the marathon. Win, because he had won the marathon. Had will come because the helping verb is there, and won is the third form of win. Maria fed her dog after she dashed her dog in the evening. Maria fed her dog after she had walked her dog in the evening. Uncle Sam bought a new motorbike after he dashed it a few times. Ride. Now, after he had ridden it for a few times, right? So, just try to solve the rest of the sentences yourself. I hope this tense is clear to you.